Welcome back, friends. Super happy that you're here with us as the sun sets on another beautiful, quite hot Portland day. I've been craving something refreshing and cold, and there are just a few drinks out there that pretty much universally everyone likes. Every pop-up that we do, every event that we do, I make sure to bring this drink because I know that if people order it and taste it, they are going to like it. Today, however, we are going to actually give it a little bit of a twist, a little spicy twist. And this drink that we're going to make for you is a mojito. Obviously, here at Clean Bar, 0% alcohol, 100% different. So we're gonna do things a little bit different today, right? To give it a little bit of that spice to it. And we're going to use a soda water that is flavored and delicious. And I just can't wait to get into it. So why should we waste any more time? Actually, let's waste a little bit more of your time. Honestly, a sub to the channel would be really great for us. The reason why is we're trying to create more awareness for what we're doing and build community. And the best way that we can do that here is through subscriptions. We're gonna keep pumping out videos. Soon in the future, we're gonna start building videos about recovery and community and tips and tricks on how to maintain sobriety or build more honesty or just grow deep relationships with other people in your life. It's not just gonna be about drinks here, even though, man, we've had fun making drinks and we're gonna continue making really good drinks, including right now. But a sub to the channel would really help us just to build awareness. What other channel really do you get to subscribe to a channel to help someone else? So let's do it, all right? Let's build a drink. Let's go! And we lift it up. Is my head cut off?
Yes.
All right. Okay, gosh, that smells so good, that mint. Oh my word. All right, mojito is very simple. We're doing lime, mint, soda water, which is a little bit of sugar, obviously, which is a great combination. But we're gonna do things a little bit differently today. We're gonna do a little longer form of the mojito. We really want the sugar and the mint to really get to know each other quite well. And it's really gonna express a lot of the flavor and the fragrance of the mint. So let's just kind of cover what we're gonna work with today. So obviously mint, a lot of mint, delicious mint. This is raw Demarara sugar. So this is the same sugar that we used for our Demarara simple syrup that we've been using quite a bit the last couple videos. Lime, you need 1 lime, 1 jalapeno. We don't need this, I don't know why this is here. And the real game changer is Sprindrift lime. Now, you can try other lime sodas if you want, if you don't have Sprindrift, and it'll be fine, but this really just takes it to another level, in my opinion. So that's what we're gonna do. And right now we have a Tom Collins glass chilling. And so what we're gonna do is we are going to go get that glass because everything's actually gonna be built inside that Tom Collins glass. And so let's go grab it now. We have a nice chilled Tom Collins glass. And we're gonna want, probably 10-ish leaves of mint. And remember previously from our mint julep derby deluxe video, we don't want the stems because the stems are gonna make the drink just a little bit more bitter than we actually want. So just about 10 mint leaves, just about like that. Give it a little slap, wake it on up, and we're just gonna pour it right in there. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Demarara sugar to this, just like that. And then very simply, we're just gonna stir this like crazy, right? We're gonna really get in here for about, I don't know, a minute, 2 minutes, and obviously we're not gonna show me doing this for an entire 1 minute long. But as we are mixing this up, I was recently talking to a group of younger people at a youth camp, and we were talking about honesty. And I really feel like in our lives, we are only as strong as we are honest. And honesty is a lot like the Demarara sugar in this drink. What it's doing is it's kind of incorporating with the mint. It's kind of damaging it a little bit because the sugar actually helps to like exfoliate the mint leaves. And mint by itself smells really good, but when you start to mix the sugar with the mint, something different happens. It's almost like its true character and taste and flavor starts to come out when the sugar starts to kind of rub against it. And sometimes telling the truth and being honest about our situation, not the future of what we hope to be or the past of what we've done in our lives, doesn't define us, right? we need to be present and truthful about our current reality. And I really feel like if we are going to start having positive direction and positive growth in our lives, one of the greatest things that we can do is be strong in the truth about who we are as people and what we believe in. And it'll really start to exfoliate ourselves and our character and the person that we are. We can become more beautiful and more flavorful in our lives and just bless so many other people in our lives too. So let's be like Demarara Sugar and just kind of allow the honesty of life and who we are as people to really shine and show through. So now what we're going to do is, as I said, continue to build in this glass here. So we're simply just going to quarter a lime and throw this in there. And because this is not just a normal mojito or no-hito, this is a Bandito No-Jito, we are just going to do just one jalapeno slice. That's it. Let's get our muddler, fancy dancy muddler here. And we're not gonna do it much, like maybe 4 to 5 presses down, because again, we don't wanna just destroy all that good work we did, but we do wanna make sure that everything is nice and squeezed down in there. I wanna make sure that I get that jalapeno. Okay, telling you what, this is gonna be good. Let us add our ice. I have 3 different, ooh, I can smell that jalapeno and the mint in there. All right, and then our Lime Spindrift. We're just gonna fill this about 3/4 of the way. Get our spoon again. We're just gonna kind of give this a nice little stir. Okay, another ice cube. Probably 1 is fine. All right, so there you have it. The Bandito No-Jito. It's spicy mojito, non-alcoholic, obviously. The thing I love about this is that Demarara sugar's down there at the bottom still, so you'll get a little crystal or 2 in there. Oh my gosh, oh yeah, that's so good. I think my favorite part about this is the fact that, yeah, there's a little sugar there. It tastes so different than a mojito normally would, because so many mojitos are just like sugar, lime, mint, soda water, just slap it together. But this tastes like it took some time, which I really like.
The alcohol and the mojito.
Here you go. You wanna give it a shot?
Yeah.
Okay, have Chelsea give it a taste.
That's good.
Yeah. The Bandito No-Jito, spicy, sweet. Take your time with this one. Really enjoy the process and just do it around friends and start talking about life. Good, bad, highs and lows, and just enjoy this drink. Enjoy the sweetness of the mint and the Demarara and just that little bit of tickle down your throat with that jalapeno. So until next time, let's work on being people that are honest about the reality of our situation and also just who we are as people. We don't need masks. You're beautiful just the way you are. Cheers. Man, that's good. Woo! Okay.